Good King Wenceslas looked out on the feast of Stephen, when the snow lay round about, deep and crisp and even.
December 14 is here, and today's clue is that it's everyone's favorite craft bear. And they think they're so bloody funny. So yeah, we'll have a look at the calendar, and over here we see a blue bear. And for the ones who have been present from the start, you may notice that this looks slightly opened already. That's from the very first day, when we accidentally forgot to read the clues before we started opening the doors. But I promise we haven't cheated. So 14, let's see what it is. So it's from Sorry Brewing, not sorry, S-O-R-I. It's Celtus. Interesting. So let me open this up, and what's gonna happen? If I can get it open, yes I can. So there's actually been a couple of people who asked me, well, don't you ever use a beer glass, or don't you even know how to use a beer glass? So I'm actually going to illustrate my skills, or lack thereof. You see, I can use a beer glass. So now let's see how this tastes. Very bready. You know how they say a liquid lunch of Guinness? This is a little bit like that. Very bready, malty, and heavy feeling. But yeah, let's look at the color. Dark amber. Well, not the best beer, but it's not a bloody Belgian beer at least.